Hello students, welcome to the EVS class. You all know that we live in the world. Do you know what is the shape of our world? Let us see in this class. Earlier people believed that the earth was a flat like a plate. They were afraid to travel too far. They thought that if they will reach to the edge of the earth, they will fall off it. The idea that the earth is round was first suggested by Pythagoras, a Greek thinker in the 6th century BCE. We see only a small portion of earth which seems to be flat. That's why it was thought that earth is flat, but it is not flat, it is geoid in shape. Geoid means somewhat nearly spherical. Okay? Now earth is too big. We need to study it. So we need to make a small model of it, right? So the small model of earth is known as globe. The word globe comes from a Latin word globus, which means a round or a spherical mass. What is the function of globe? How it will help us? The function of globe is to locate places. It helps us to see the landforms, oceans, directions. So that's why to study our world in detail, we use globe. Now, when we are seeing to the globe, you can see there are different pointers on the globe. The first pointer is poles. Look at the picture. The topmost point on the Earth's surface is called North Pole, and the bottommost point is called South Pole. You can also see an imaginary line. Imaginary means the line which really don't exist. सच में नहीं होती है. ये हमने अपने सोच से बनाई हुई है. Is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth, which connects North and South Pole. This line is called Earth's axis. The earth rotates on its own axis. Notice that the globe is tilted from one side. देखो टेढ़ा है, सीधा नहीं है अर्थ, टेढ़ा है. Actually the earth is tilted. Earth is not straight. It is slightly tilted. थोड़ा सा तिरछा टेढ़ा है. And then it moves on its own axis with this tilt. So वो टेढ़ा ही rotate करता है. Right? So now from this learning, let us check how much you have understood. So the first question is, the idea that the earth is round was first suggested by... Come on, give me the answer. Yes, it is Pythagoras. Dash is a model of earth, a globe, an axis, a chart, a rotation. A globe is the model of earth. Next, the topmost point on the earth's surface is called dash. So what it is? South Pole, equator, North Pole, or end point. The topmost point is known as North Pole.